Welcome to Cybersecurity Essentials, a comprehensive online training program designed to equip you with the necessary skills to safeguard your digital environment. This course was meticulously developed by IT cybersecurity experts at Spartan Tech Incorporated, in collaboration with technology consultants and informed by resources from United States government sources. Our goal is to not only enhance your understanding of cybersecurity but also ensure you can apply this knowledge effectively in your daily activities, both personal and professional. What you will learn. Throughout this course, you will journey through various modules, each crafted to address specific aspects of cybersecurity. Starting with an introduction to cybersecurity, you will understand its fundamental concepts and why it's critical to every organization. We'll explore the cyber threat landscape, identifying common threats and vulnerabilities that businesses face today. As we delve into cybersecurity hygiene for employees, you'll learn practical steps to strengthen your personal cybersecurity measures. For those of you working remotely, our module on remote work security best practices will be invaluable in helping you secure your home office and digital assets outside the traditional workplace. Mobile security will teach you to safeguard your most frequently used devices, while social media and personal information security will guide you on protecting your online presence. We also cover the importance of organizational roles and policies and compliance, and how to cultivate a cyber-resilient culture within your workplace. We will also identify 20 common methods cyber criminals use in an attempt to steal important information and what to do if a breach occurs. Each module concludes with a quiz to reinforce your learning, ensuring you grasp the key concepts before moving on. Importance of this training. This training is crucial not only for keeping our workplaces safe from digital threats but also to comply with cybersecurity insurance requirements. Ensuring all employees receive documented training is essential for meeting industry standards and protecting our organizational assets. Completion and certification. Upon completing all modules, you'll be tasked with passing a summary test that covers the entirety of the course content. Passing this test will establish your eligibility for the Cybersecurity Course Completion Certificate, a testament to your understanding and readiness to tackle cybersecurity challenges. So, whether you're looking to bolster your current knowledge or starting from scratch, this course will provide the tools you need to protect yourself and your organization from cyber threats. Prepare to embark on a critical learning journey that will empower you to act wisely and securely in today's digital world. Thank you for joining us, and welcome aboard. Let's get started.